Hi guys, it's me Reagan, and I'm doing Squishy Keen's Court. So yeah, let's get started. I'm just gonna dump all these out. None of them are in packaging for obvious reasons. I don't like my squishies in packaging, even though they're more safe in packaging. But not all squishies come with packaging. So yeah, but I am gonna to keep. Some of them do have packaging. Some of them don't. So, right now none of them are in packaging. I might not use this one because it's like hard to crack open, and I would definitely say yes for this one. So, but it's still, I don't want to count one of this as my squishy stuff. Yeah, let's just get started. So first, I'm going to grab these two. Ooh, yay. I already know. But this pan. Okay. I'll put all the lights on it here. Okay, so I got this panda one, or this little bun, and I'm sorry, but I love both of these squishies so much, but I have to go for the panda bun because it's one of my new squishies. Even though this is also one of my new squishies, but this is one of my favorite squishies. So. Okay, so I got one. I got this little panda one and this little face. And I'm sorry, I love both of you really much, but I know I said yes for this one last time. That's why I chose this one. So winner. Okay. Oh. So this little green pirate emoji, or this little donut. I'm going to have to go for the donut because it's more realistic, more squishy, and more easy to squish. So, winner, loser. Okay. And now I have Jerome and this one. And I'm going to have to go with Jerome because he's my little buddy. Love you, Jerome. I kind of want to come that way, but I got this little donut, or this little donut. I'm a big donut. And I'm going to have to go for the big donut because it's just jumbo sized. It's homemade. It smells kind of good. So, winner, loser. That leaves these two. I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to go for the football. Because the football, like double sided. Like if you're a boy, you put like 42, boom, and then flip it over to the girl side. Or if you're a girl and you throw it to a boy, you can like turn it to the other side. So yeah, that wraps it up. Now we're going to play our second round. So now I'm going to do winners. I picked my jumbo homemade. So my jumbo homemade donut and my jumbo in my jumbo football. And I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to go for the donut because it's more cuter and it's homemade. It's powdered a little bit. Yeah, now this was a hard one. I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to go for my panda bun. It's more slow rising. Same amount of cute as Jerome, though. So what are you doing?
You done? You done?
Yeah.
You want to have a cookie?
I take my cookies.
What's this?
I don't know. Okay, sorry.
You have bigger squishies?
Yeah.
A squish one?
No. Okay, and that leaves. Alright, please go. Okay, and that leaves these two. Just close it. Okay. This one. But it was this one. This is this one. I choose this one because it's so much. Wait. Okay, now that was it. Now that wraps up that round. Now do the rest. This one versus this one. This one because it has more color, but I would choose this one. This one's more cuter, and it's more realistic, but I choose this one. Oh, this is a new round. I better clean up my space here. Okay, next one. Donut and smiley face bun. Sorry, but I'm going to go with donut. Just more stretchy, more realistic. So that leaves these two, and my winner's going to be my panda bun. My panda bun. Yeah. So my panda bun is my ultimate winner. Not this one, though. I wish it was. I wish it was. I wish it was. So, yeah, super cool. I wish I had one sticking out, but the one is fine. I might send Silly Squishies like a list of what Squishies I want, even though these might have been sent from, these might be Silly Squishies, but I don't think so. So thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe and comments. Let me know which one would be your ultimate winner. Mine was my panda bun. Leave this one, but my panda buns. Oh, so yeah.